All right, this is the brand new Echelon Alpha from Springfield Armory. For today's video, just a quick disclaimer because we keep getting knocked up by YouTube and in trouble. There are no firearm sales. We're not encouraging sales. There are no firearms for sale in this video. This is simply for educational and informational purposes only. True with Guns America, we're here today to talk about a new pistol from Springfield. This is called the Echelon Alpha. And I'm not going to BS you guys at all. This is a price point Echelon is what this is. Right now it's available in a 4.0 C or compact version, which means it's a 4-inch barrel and a 15-round stainless steel magazine. It's also available in a California compliant version and a low capacity version. So those are the versions that are available. So here's the deal. This comes in at a lower price point, and I'm just going to quickly tell you what you're giving up. So what you're giving up at the lower price point is you only get one magazine. It's the same magazine, but it only ships in the box with one. You are not getting the same slide cut. So the slide cut is slightly different. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. So as far as slide cuts go, the serrations on here are still super deep. Super aggressive. I like them just fine, but they're different. So on the regular Echelon, which I have one here that's got 1,000,000 rounds through it, as you can see, this gets deeper, which means that it's more of a, it kind of locks you in behind the ejection port here. And then it also does the same thing back here with this little ledge on the back. This is just straight. There's no extra deep cuts. The other thing that you're giving up is the regular standard Echelon has a night sight, a steel night sight. This just has a steel white dot. The rear sight is actually exactly the same though. So that's really it. Then the last difference that I'm aware of or that I can figure out here is that even though this takes different back straps, it doesn't come with any in the box. So you'd have to purchase these separately if you wanted different ones, but it does ship with the small version, which I have fairly large hands and I still like the small size the best. Then you don't get the fancy nylon case. It just ships in this cardboard box. Obviously it doesn't come with a red dot, but we're going to talk about that right now. It still comes with the direct to slide mount option that comes on all of these Springfield Echelon pistols. And in my opinion, it is the best mounting system in the whole industry because it allows you to mount pretty much any red dot directly to the slide, and it works really well. Man, we got bugs out here today. So this is a Vortex Defender ST, which is a great option. Mounts directly to the slide, no zero issues. If you're not running a red dot, it comes with this plate mounted right there on top. So there's that. Now, great texture. The frame is exactly the same and it has phenomenal texture. There's no problem gripping this gun. Fully mag release, so it's not a matter of switch the button over. It has a button on both sides of the gun so that you can drop the magazine. Fully ambi slide release, so this side and this side. It uses the COG system, which is the trigger system's own separate serial number, which means you can swap out frames without having to change the serial number of the gun. Stainless steel barrel, slide, and COG system. So this is the standard Echelon that you've come to expect, but it does say Alpha, so this is how you would know, is look for this on the slide, right up there on that left-hand side of the slide. Trigger is exactly the same. The COG is exactly the same. Once again, slightly different slide cuts. The gun shot great. We put a quick 200 rounds through this morning already, and I've had zero issues with it malfunctioning. Not a single malfunction of any kind. This thing has run super reliably. In fact, this is my old beat up original Echelon, and this thing has a lot of rounds through it now. It has been run pretty hard, and it has just continued to run flawlessly. So I can't say enough good about the reliability that goes in these pistols. So here's the question: who is this Echelon Alpha for? Well, here's who it's for. It's for someone that wants to concealed carry like a little bit bigger gun that's going to be a little easier to shoot. It's more of that sort of Glock 19 size with a 15-round magazine. And by the way, it's a great magazine, stainless steel with witness holes. Set up for a light, set up for a red dot, duty rated, ready to go right out of the box. It's just going to work. So That's who it's for. Someone that wants home defense, self-defense, concealed carry. It's going to work for any of those people. And it's going to come in at a better price point because you're only getting one magazine. You're not getting the nylon bag. You're not getting the back straps. You're not getting quite as fancy of a slide cut, but you're getting everything else that actually matters. So I think you got to go look at and talk to your dealer and see what kind of sales they have or what kind of deals are going on, because sometimes you don't care about the nylon bag or the extra back straps. I've never switched out or used any of them personally, but the things that really matter to me are this optics mounting system. I mean, for example, I could go from this Vortex right over to this Trijicon and they would both mount without any plates, without any adapters, which is really kind of a big deal. So I love the direct to slide mount. I think it's the best thing that there is in the industry. That's the Echelon Alpha. Tell us what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you want to see more on this gun, let us know. We'd be happy to make more content on it. But in the meantime, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.